In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a block quote in Microsoft Word with a few simple steps. This is a handy skill to have when you're looking to distinguish quoted text within your documents. Block quotes are commonly used to set apart text excerpts, reference material, or even dialogue when you're drafting longer works. Today, we're focusing on using this stylized formatting feature effectively in Word, keeping it clear and clean. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word document. If you already have a file you're working on, that's great. Go ahead and open it now. If not, now's the perfect time to start a new one. Having Word up on your screen is the first step towards making formatting changes like these. Once you have your document open, look for the section where you want to insert your block quote. The key here is to ensure that the text you intend to format is separated clearly from other sections, giving your block quote the prominence it deserves. Before moving on to the formatting, check that there's a colon directly above the block quote section. The colon is often used for context, as it typically introduces the quote or the text you wish to highlight. Once your colon is in place, you'll want to position your cursor just below the text that you've prepped for the block quote. The text must already be in place before you can apply the block quote format. After your text is ready, it's time to use the ruler tool at the top of your Word interface. This might be a familiar feature, especially if you've used Word's formatting tools before, but if not, don't worry, it's quite intuitive. Now with your cursor set just below the introductory text, use your mouse to click on the ruler at the top of the document. If the ruler isn't visible, you can enable it by going to the View tab and selecting Ruler. Click and drag the indent marker. It looks like a small triangle or rectangle at the top of the ruler until you have indented the text to your desired depth. For most block quotes, a standard indent is about a ½ inch from the left margin, though you might adjust this depending on your document's style or aesthetic preferences. Once you've adjusted the indent, your block quote should visibly set apart the section of text, distinguishing it from the rest of your document. The indentation gives the quote prominence and makes it stand out, mimicking the way quoted or special text appears in published works. And there you have it. Your block quote is complete. Remember, formatting like this not only makes documents look professional, but also enhances readability and emphasizes important sections. Now you can confidently format block quotes in your documents whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial useful in your writing and formatting endeavors.